Hi, it's Dan from Farol's. Quick tutorial video about the armrest in the T-Series cab. This is the same on the S-Series up until 2017, and the same on the W-Series machine as well. This is currently with a 7-inch screen, but a lot of the components are very familiar. There will also be a video for the 10-inch 2630 screen too. So a couple of quick ones. We commonly get asked how to get to the grain tank lids, to open those. A couple of ways. Little black button here which takes us straight through to the grain tank lids. I can press and hold this button to open, press and hold this button to close. If we can't find that, if we navigate ourselves onto this screen, you can't get here, menu, through to combine. I want to go for this button here, H with the arrow and the dot. This will take us through to the crop setting page. If we come to this picture here, B, give us the option for grain tank covers as well, open, close, etc. there. We also very commonly get asked how to put the machine in and out of HillMaster as well. So just here we have the HillMaster button. What we need to do with that is, it's currently off. To engage HillMaster, we press it once. Make sure the handbrake is disengaged, lean it right over one way. And release. Just to be sure, it will go right over the other way. So let's get the machine into HillMaster. Just be aware, the HillMaster is only live if the orange button is live over here. Okay. Every time you switch the ignition off, that button will need pressing again to re-engage HillMaster. To get us back into road mode, or the lower height position, we'll press and hold this button until it flashes. So it's currently flashing. We'll bring it right over one way. So it hits the stop, right down the other, and you can feel it walking down. Just to be sure, knock it to the left and to the right again. Press that button there which is flashing, the HillMaster button. It's now off. That has locked us down into the lower height position. And if we want to take it down the road, you just have to press this one button here with the road icon, and it will take us into road mode, and it's suggesting that we switch our road lights on.